If you're trying to learn coding after college or maybe even later on in life, you might be wondering what's the best platform to use to practice what you've learned. And I've tried a bunch of them, and I want to talk about one platform that I've been using recently and really starting to love: Exercism. Let's find out why. Hi, I'm Mustafa. I graduated as a chemical engineer in 2023, but life had other plans. I ended up in SEO, had a successful freelancing career, and now I run my own SEO agency. But here's the twist: I've fallen back in love with coding, and so I decided to just learn it. I started this by learning Bash and Bash scripting, then I took the famous Harvard CS50 course, and now I'm just learning Python and its fundamentals. And Exercism has played a huge role in that. So in this video, I will take you through the features of Exercism that I like best and some pointers that I think can be improved upon. So let's go. Exercism is a free coding platform with practice exercises and mentorship in over 60 programming languages. Now, it's not flashy like Code Academy or gamified like Duolingo, but it's clean, minimal, and it actually focuses on teaching you the programming fundamentals through real-world scenario-based exercises and repetition. I started using it recently to practice my Python skills after finishing the infamous CS50X course. Each exercise comes with the right amount of documentation, no overwhelming textbook dumps, and it gives you the context, the objective, and lets you write your own solution. And for people who want to read more about any concepts, it also links to the source documentations. The second great thing about Exercism is that you can check your solutions directly from the terminal. The PyTest will help you identify where exactly you went wrong, making it easier to debug and learn from your mistakes. This helped me actually focus on writing clean code. The third great thing that I love about Exercism are the community solutions, and this one's a game changer. After you've submitted your own solution, you can browse through the community solutions through other people's solutions. And some of them are so creative and so short, or so concise, I should say. It's made me rethink my approach a bunch of times, and not going to lie, some of them made me feel really stupid. But to be honest, it's not competitive, it's inspiring. You can learn so much just by seeing how differently the same problem can be solved. Now, the last thing that I really love about Exercism is that it's not built for very young kids who are still in school or coders who have 5 years of experience. It's built for people who are somewhere in the middle. Exercism feels like it's built for people who actually want to learn, who are real learners and who want to find out why things work the way they do, and not just pass a challenge. Even though they do have some gamified tracking of exercises like this, but it goes way deeper than that. They teach you the terminology and the jargon that is used in the product development world. And people like me who've never had a CS degree and who will probably never work in product development might not know about it, but this is a very easy and friendly way to learn all that. Now let's talk about some things that I feel could be better on Exercism. Here's my biggest gripe. Many of these insight exercises are super short and they're focused on just one core concept, be it strings, lists, classes, or anything else, but they don't link back to any previously learned insight or topic. And I feel if they linked back to previous concepts or combined multiple concepts, it would be way more effective. First of all, it would reinforce what we've learned in the previous exercise, and in some cases where there are multiple approaches such as unpacking a string or using slice notation, we could maybe practice which one is better or which case is better for which approach. Now, granted, I haven't done all of these exercises. I mean, I've just done 11%, but I think Exercism doesn't yet give you a way to build entire or large projects, like maybe making a full app, an API, or even a web app. And I think I need to look elsewhere when I'm ready to do that. Now, who exactly is Exercism for? I believe you should definitely give this a shot if you are learning to code after college, or if you are coming from a non-technical background, or maybe you did have a few computer science courses in college, but you have forgotten the fundamentals and you would like to revise what you learned without paying hundreds of dollars a month. Or maybe you just want to get better at Python or any other programming language slowly and by learning the fundamentals. You should absolutely, definitely give this a try. It's free, it's structured, and it respects your time. If this helped you out, drop a like and let me know in the comments. And if there's any other platform that's like this or maybe even better, do tell me. I'd love to check it out.